Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to remove an object from an image using Photoshop. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open Photoshop. And now if you have any kind of version of Photoshop, this tutorial will help you. So for example, I'm using 2019. If you have the 2022 version, it will still work for you. So just focus with me and it will be good to go. Now we need to drag a picture. Click on open, and for example, let's choose this one. For example, in this picture we want to remove the ball from it. How to do so? It's very simple. You need to click on this tool. We made already a tutorial about it, so make sure to check it out. And now we select it. Now after you select the ball, there is two methods, which is, it depends on you. If you want to remove this ball, like to cut it out, you can just click on cut from here and you will cut the ball, and as you can see there is no ball here, but it will still leave this space empty. How to fix that? We can just select the ball again, and now instead of like cutting the ball, we can just like drag this part of the picture and click copy and hide the ball using it. For like that, it will not show the ball and it still feels like normal. There is another method, which is again removing this. Click on the ball, select it, and as you can see, let's make sure we are selecting only the ball. And yeah, now we click on the ball, right click and click on file. Keep it as this as it is and click on OK. Now as you can see, they have taken out the ball, or replaced the ball with another picture from here, or the engine or the AI did the work for you. Of course you will see these kind of ball track here. It's because I didn't select the ball perfectly, but if you did select the object perfectly, it will not show these things. So that was the tutorial for today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.